Good evening, everybody, and here I am in Topsail, just enjoying a beautiful sunset here. I hope you can hear me because of the wind, but my God, is it ever beautiful out here. Holy cow. What a beautiful day. I took my time today because I knew I wasn't going to walk into St. John's. I decided that I just wanted to go halfway and think about things, go on the internet, talk with a few friends, and just, contemplate on how beautiful my journey has been. So tomorrow's the day, though. Tomorrow I'll be heading into St. John's and heading to mile zero, and feeling pretty proud about things. But right now I'm just enjoying the beautiful setting over here. It's just crazy amazing. I can't wait to see the new colors going to be coming out. I'm going to go try and set my tent up somewhere down over there on the beach. See if that works. If not, I'll find a place pretty soon. Anyway, take care, everybody. You have yourself a beautiful evening. Take care.